really crazy.
I was like, what is that?
All right, Evie, are you ready?
Yeah.
There you go.
Scary.
There you go. Look at how cute he is.
And guess what? He's a snow Bengal.
Did you have any clue?
Well, I am always hoping. I mean, once I saw the box had a lid on it, I was like, I don't
That is
know.
the cutest cat I've ever seen.
When he beat this.
Yeah. That's why when Evie won, we're like, okay, I kind of wanted Evie to win last, but I mean, who doesn't have a gift yet?
Me.
So let's do one more challenge.
We'll do one more challenge.
But Evie can just sit here with her cat now.
Evie, you're scaring me. Oh.
He's like, ooh, see how chill he is? All right, now.